Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Intelli-Machines. In this video, we will see how to install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook on your computer. But before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please make sure you have subscribed our channel because it's only the way you can get notification of our upcoming videos. Now here are two questions. What is Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook and why we are installing it? So the answer is Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook both are open source softwares. Anaconda is being largely used in the platform of data science and machine learning, whereas Jupyter Notebook is a web-based application. So as like PyCharm, as we seen in our previous videos, we can also use Jupyter Notebook to run the Python commands. So I may use Jupyter Notebook in our most of the upcoming new videos to deliver my lectures instead of PyCharm, which can be used rarely in some other cases. So you must have an idea how to install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook so that you can use it for your home practice. And before starting the installation process, one more thing that I want to remind you, please keep watching the videos in sequence so that you don't miss any part of the video that may cause difficulty for you to understand any next videos. Okay, that's enough. Now let's start the installation process. First of all, you have to open any web browser like Internet Explorer or Chrome. On Google, you can search download Anaconda. On the top of the search, you can see Anaconda Python R distribution free download. Please click on it. Okay, now you can see its official website is open, and here is the download button. Just click on it. Now because we are using Python 3.x version, it can be 3.6, 7, 8, depends upon what are you using. We will choose this one. Now here are two different architects available for this version. One is for 64-bit and another is for 32-bit. From here you can select the one which is best for your computer. But if you are confused and if you don't know which one is best for your computer and how to check it, then I can quickly tell you that how can you check it, that which architect is best for your computer. Please open my computer or this PC, and in this window please click here on this button, and here in the system section you can check your system architect. And here in my case it is x64 based processor, so I must install Anaconda through 64-bit installer. But if your processor architect is x86, then you must use 32-bit installer to install Anaconda. I have downloaded the 64-bit Anaconda installer on my computer. Now let's see how to install it. I will simply click on that installer file. Here I will click on the next button. I agree. Install for all users. Now here it will ask for the admin privileges. I will give the admin privileges by clicking on the yes button. Because I have already installed it into my computer, so I will slightly change this address from 3 to 3.0 and click on next. Now in this screen there are, you can see two options. You have to check them both, okay, so that you can access it from any folder of your computer. And after selecting both options, you can click on install button to run the installation process. And once the installation process is over, you can find a finish button. That means you have successfully installed Anaconda on your PC. Now let's see how to install Jupyter Notebook on your system. To install the Jupyter Notebook, click on your browser again, and in the search bar type install Jupyter Notebook. At the top of the search bar, you will find jupyter.org install. Please click on this link. Here you can scroll down to find out this code under the heading of Conda. Just copy it, Ctrl C, and open Anaconda from your system. And in the window of Anaconda prompt, I will paste this code and click enter. Now the installation process has been started. It will take few moments to finish. Let's wait. To continue the installation process, I will write Y for yes, and then press enter. Now I have successfully installed Jupyter Notebook on my PC. To open the Jupyter Notebook, I will click on the search bar and I will write Jupyter. Here click on that Jupyter Notebook. Now you can see it has opened the Jupyter Notebook on my browser in a new tab. And here is another way of installation of Jupyter Notebook 2, which is more simple if you don't want to use cores to install the Jupyter Notebook. Let's see how. First of all, please open the Anaconda Navigator window. You can open Anaconda Navigator by clicking on the search bar and type Anaconda Navigator. You will find it here. Please click on it. It will take few moments to initialize. Now the window of Anaconda Navigator is opened, and you can see there are different applications like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell, PyCharm, etc. To launch the Jupyter Notebook, you will have to click on this launch button, and it will take few moments to launch the Jupyter Notebook. Now here you can see it has opened the Jupyter Notebook in a new tab on your browser. So that's all for today. In the next video we will have a walkthrough of Jupyter Notebook in detail. To watch that video and all the upcoming videos of Python, please make sure you have subscribed our channel so you can get updates of our all upcoming new videos. Till the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.